Yes, good afternoon. It's a Monday, new week, new goals. So, I'm just recapping on the video I previously posted concerning the setups on DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Nasdaq, SP 500, and others. So basically, just like I posted, we still looking for a narrow pullback on the XY, because the XY, as we see previously on the video that I posted, when the market opened this morning at 00 midnight, it was just Asian session, we saw that it used this bearish fair value gap as a context to see that it continues to pull back towards this liquidity. So I was waiting for this last layer of liquidity to be taken out. As you could see, my point of demand was literally below this zone of liquidity. So I'm hoping to buy off the dollar index off of this demand. Yes, if this demand happen to agree, then with proper confirmation, I'll be hopefully buying it. So as you could see, price really was delivered nicely off of this context area. You could see we had a bearish order flow leg, and this bearish fair value gap is what sponsored price towards this swing low. As you see, this was a minor break of structure, as you see, and we continue to see price coming to take out this liquidity area. So what I'm waiting for is to see price continuing to tap this area of demand, as we will be preparing for some longs. Yes, but that will depend on some confirmation. In case this demand fails to hold, we still have an extreme zone. This is an extreme demand which I have, yeah, of which now I'm eliminating for now. I'm hoping to see price actually reacting off of this demand. If it gives me a long confirmation with a bullish fair value gap or with a bullish order flow leg, I'll be ready to buy off the DXY. So when we go to Euro USD, just like I said, I had my 2 points of interest, and these were actually within this trading range. We had extreme order block and we had a decision order block. But before that, inducement was actually there to be taken. Yes, and on top we add a zone of liquidity. So basically, currently, as we see, it seems like the decision order block, the decision supply, as our first key area, is likely not to hold. So now I'm hoping to see price. If this zone decision order block fails to hold, we're gonna be going for this extreme supply, which is our extreme order block. So we're still pulling back to this extreme order block. It's likely price is likely to sell off from the extreme order block if the decision order block fails to hold. So this is the setups actually I have on Euro USD. As you could see, we're still bearish. We haven't turned bullish. This is just a pullback to our points of interest. It could be decision or it could be extreme. So we could see it has been actually pulling back nicely, just like you see. So GBP has been extremely so slow, as you see. We still have 2 points of interest, the decision area of interest and extreme. So we're still pulling back. As you could see, price is being choppy, it's been consolidating, but we are likely to use our decision order block to see that price taps and react off of this decision area of supply, that we could continue selling. If it fails to react off of this decision order block, price can literally choose the extreme order block. So this is what I had. I'm still bearish. This is just a pullback that actually I'm seeing on both GU and EU. Then I'll continue to sell. So nevertheless, on Wednesday, we still have NFP because it was shifted. We were supposed to have it last Friday. It was shifted to Wednesday. So hopefully we have to be watching out for this NFP to see how it might literally play. Definitely. So that's the labor market. You just need to be keen. You understand? So it's always good to take trades, to trade, to take position, most especially when the high impact news are passed. So basically, I'll be watching the market and see if maybe I'll happen to trade literally after NFP on Wednesday. But if I happen to get a quick setup, maybe today or tomorrow, I'll literally try to get in. So this is the setup I had. And on gold, gold was still on a pullback. On gold, I had my level of liquidity. As you could see, this is my liquidity. I'm hoping to see that this liquidity is taken out so that price can tap this area of supply. We have still two areas of supply, extreme and the decision one. So I'm waiting to see this level of liquidity being taken out, then price to be seen a rebalancing off of this, rebalancing this area of fair value gap, then tapping this decision order block, or it can also decide to tap extreme order block. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. Yeah. Gold is the same as silver. It's the same. Silver, we have the most recent area of supply, and above we have the decision and we have the extreme. So basically, silver is likely to react off of this most recent area of supply to see if maybe we get some shorts. So what again? Nasdaq, and SP 500. Nasdaq, you could see last week we talked about Nasdaq shifting bullish. So this is what still we're having. We had a chalk, and I'm waiting for the pullback towards demand. This is the zone where I'm hoping to see that I start in more buys to continue seeing Nasdaq buying. So this is a chalk. It's a trend reversal. External range liquidity taken. Now we are coming towards the internal liquidity, the order block area. Then we shall continue to buy it. SP 500 is the same as Nasdaq, the same setup. This is our external liquidity taken. Now we are coming towards the internal range liquidity order block area to see that maybe we can react and continue buying it. Again, Bitcoin, I analyzed Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally choppy. It's literally choppy. Is now currently within the area of demand of which I marked. So I'm just watching it. So this is what I had for today. Yeah, this is what I had for today. Let's hope for the best moves during the course of this week. Yes. So have a peaceful week. Thank you. Bye.